I've been rocking my Armadillo Tech case since I bought my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but today I'm actually ready for a change. So my main man Carl actually sent me a copy of the Schnail Case here, and I'm taking a look at it just to see what the fuss is all about. This is the Schnail Saviour Series for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, as you all know, I'm not affiliated with anyone, so anytime I get something, whether it's free or not, I always keep it honest with you guys. I always keep it 100. As always, let's do a quick unboxing here. Packaging is pretty much the same as the one of the Armadillo Tech. And the first thing that actually catches my attention is this purplish glow strip on the back here. This may have been inspired by the infamous aura glow of the Galaxy Note 10. And the back of the case is gray, as you can see here, which is actually one of my favorite colors. Oh, by the way, if you haven't already, please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. It's a huge boost to the channel, and it helps me put out more content for you. Also, to you guys already subscribed to the channel, I truly appreciate your support. Okay, so back to the video here. You also get a thank you card, which displays the installation instruction. And from the looks of it, Schnail is actually a big supporter of the fight against cancer. Major salute for that. We're also getting a letter giving more details on their stand with the cause and also the case itself. So here's the back case again with that purple strip. And we have this transparent back protected by this plastic cover here. The logo is slapped right in the middle here at the bottom of the case. The skeleton frame has some cutouts here ready for the buttons on the phone. In the Armadillo Tech case, there were some honeycomb shapes to help absorb the shocks, but in this one, it seems to be on the sides only, as you can see on the inside here. Now, here's the biggest improvement in my opinion. You can easily distinguish the power button now, so it's easily accessible, and you can actually make the difference between that and the volume rocker, unlike the other case. So Schnail actually did listen to the customers. Now, for me, the installation is really not that hard because I'm already used to doing that on the Armadillo Tech, and it's pretty much the same setup. The way you go about it is pretty easy. First, what I do is I line up the bottom part of the phone to the case to make sure that it's actually partially in there. Then I go up to the top and squeeze that top part in. Then eventually work my way to the sides of the case and then keep pressing it in. That's pretty much it. So finally, we have to remove the second protective layer from the back here. And it does have a lip that spills on here. It's pretty tough to see it on the camera there. There's one at the top and there's one at the bottom. And that helps protect the phone if you drop it face first. We also do have the nice camera cutout on the back there. Once the phone is in there, it looks and feels pretty clean. It's actually less bulky than my Armadillo Tech case. But on the other hand, it feels wider in the hands. As you can see here, everything does line up. The speaker, the mic, the buttons on here, which you can now easily distinguish by the feel. The ports are lined up correctly, and I can also still easily access the S Pen while everything just sits very flush. Now, if you want to give this a try yourself, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an Amazon affiliate link in the description. All you have to do is just click that, and that should take you straight to the main page where the case is, and you can go ahead and purchase it from there. As for myself, I'm just going to be rocking this from now on and see how I like it. If anything comes up, I'm going to go ahead and make another video about it. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, like, comment. I'm going to catch you in that comment section, and I'm also going to catch you in the next video. Until then, peace.